Hi there, this is Luke with CDL PowerSuite here today to show you the process of getting your company registered on the FMCSA TPR so that you can start submitting and providing training to your trainees. Your first step to get registered is going to be coming to the FMCSA TPR website, which will look like this right here. And once you're on the site, you go over to the Training Providers tab. On this tab, it's going to show you the steps that you need to take to get your company registered. First step is creating a login.gov account. Step two is registering your company as a training provider and then registering your training locations. After that, you can submit your training certification to get certified by the FMCSA. So your first step is going to be clicking register now. And this will bring you to a page where you will create your login.gov account. It's going to default you to the sign in screen, but you can just click create account, come over here and enter in your email address. Once you've entered the email address that you want connected to your login.gov account into this system here, you're going to click that you have read and accept the login.gov rules of use, and you're going to select your language preference. Then you're going to go ahead and click submit, and it is going to send an email to your email inbox, which will be your next step, and you're going to follow that to continue the process. Once you've received the email, it's going to ask you to confirm your email address, in which you click that button and it brings you right here where you're going to create a password. This password must be 12 characters long, and they ask you to not use common phrases or repeated characters. So once you've created your password for your login.gov account, you're going to go ahead and click continue. And then this is going to ask you for your authentication method that you would prefer. For example, I'm going to choose text or voice message because that is the easiest option and most common option. And then you're going to input your phone number that you would like attached to the account. And I'm going to choose text message because that's easiest for me, but you can also choose automated phone call and they will call you to give you your login code. I'm going to send a code to myself. Once you enter in that code, you're going to go ahead and click submit. And then that is going to tell you that you added your first authentication method. And it asks you to add another one, which you can if you want to, but I am going to skip for now. Now I just have to agree to the training provider sharing my email information. So I'm going to agree and continue. And now we are in the process of registering our company. So we're going to go in here and put in first and last name and phone number and all of that information. Once you enter in that information, you're going to go ahead and click next. Oh, I forgot to put in the type of phone, so I'm going to say cell phone. Hit next, then you put in the legal name of your company/organization. Once you've entered in all of your provider information, you're going to go ahead and click next, and that will bring you to your affiliations page. So on here, it's going to ask for training provider identification numbers. And so I'm going to put USDOT, and I'm just going to put in a random number here just to get through the process. And then it asks if you are affiliated with any third-party providers. And so I am going to say none on this for this specific question here. Next, it's going to have us agree to the terms and conditions for the FMCSA. So I'm going to go through, I'm going to click to agree to all of these. There's a lot of them here that you got to agree to. And you will want to read all of these, unlike I am doing on this example, because this is valuable information for you to know the behavior and training provider registry terms of use. This will be something that you will want to read thoroughly and make sure that you understand. And then your next step here is going to be going ahead and clicking submit. Then after you submit your application, you need to wait for your company to be approved. Once you are approved, it will show that your status is active and it will show your approved date. Your next step is going to be getting a location approved. And so this process is super simple. You just got to go in, add in your company information, your location information, and what training that you are going to offer. If you're going to be offering online ELDT theory, you can add that to your location as well as your behind the wheel training that you will be offering. You can choose which classes of CDL that you're going to offer and which endorsements. And then this process to get approved takes about 2 to 3 days for the FMCSA to approve your location. And then once your location is approved, you are good to go ahead and submit. Thank you for watching this video on how to register your company with the FMCSA. If you have any questions at all, please give us a call. My phone number directly is 509-508-3438, or you can feel free to schedule a meeting with CDL PowerSuite and we would be more than happy to help. Have a great rest of your day.